It's critical that we know. The public has a right to know.
Hoosiers still don't have some crucial information about an execution being performed in their own state.
And Indiana's extreme secrecy and Indiana's intentionally withholding information from the public suggests that there's something very wrong in what the state is doing.
Governor Eric Holcomb and Attorney General Todd Rokita announced in June they acquired the drug pentobarbital to resume executions in Indiana after a 15-year pause. They have not specified where this drug is from or how much it costs.
If the government were confident that what it was doing was right, you could bet that the public would have access to the information.
Robert Dunham is a death penalty policy analyst. He's critical of Indiana's government's decision to reinstate the death penalty, especially starting with Joseph Corcoran. He's been diagnosed as severely mentally ill by 6 different doctors.
To allow him to be executed without conducting an up-to-date, modern-day, to-the-minute hearing on what his mental state is something that we as the public should not accept.
Governor Holcomb is one of the last chances for Corcoran to stay alive. Earlier this week, he held ground on his belief in the death penalty.
I still believe in capital punishment. I subscribe to that as a form of ultimate justice.
In January, capital punishment won't be in the hands of Holcomb any longer. Senator Mike Braun will be the new governor, and his thoughts on the death penalty aren't as clear as Holcomb's.
So I've got mixed feelings on it. I think from a religious standpoint, a lot of that is turned against it, almost across the spectrum of denominations.
Dunham questions this punishment being carried out so close to a transition of power. He says Corcoran's execution should be stayed until the next legislative session.
It makes sense to allow the next governor coming in time to take a look at the case and to determine whether he thinks this is how Indiana should start executions, if he thinks Indiana should start executions at all.